Hello, welcome to another superb Friday morning where the markets are green. Yeah, even me, I'm smiling. See, yeah, smiley face. Markets are green. Zora the Explorer exploded, and so much more. And today, I have a lot of analysis to do because of Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge, Sui, XRP, and the others, Zora, ILV, and MYX also. I'll be looking at it, and look at this Zora from the daily. We said about wave 2, and there it is. The wave 2 has just begun. See it? No, wave 3. We were in the wave 2 pullback, and what I was trying to test was whether Elliott wave can apply to newly established coins, and it did. It did. Yes. I was predicting a breakout yesterday, and I was predicting a breakout maybe 2 days from yesterday, which was tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But due to the fact that it's weekend and it's Fridays here, this is the results. So we have seen a breakout of Zora from the 0.072 resistance towards an all-time a high of 0.8272, and it has changed our dealing range, and we are approaching this target zone here, this one, the 0.95 is where I've placed my limit order for this short. So to be broad, I entered a short position from the climax of wave 1 to the support of wave 2. I was in profits, but I never took the profits because I wanted to stress test what can happen when you are in the opposite direction of the market, and I want to see whether I can chase down the entry price from 0.72 towards, no, from 0.077. This was the entry here. How much will it cost to chase this towards the peak of F3? And this is 0.15. And how will my position be influenced, and the repercussion with that? So you'll be here, you guys, and you'll see those movements. But this is Zora, and the target of F3 is the 100% Fibonacci, prices at 0.14 to 0.15. So our liquidity stays at 0.1, our limit order at 0.095, which is like minus 95%, negative 95% of the position. So yeah, so I will go to the 4 hours time frame to get a better look of the underlying asset. So in the smaller time frame, we are seeing that breakout that just occurred, and from the higher time frame we know our target, and now we want to see, will it be able to test this level, the 0.9775. Also, I've been thinking it is following Akina Bitcoin and Akina Solana. And another interesting aspect is Ethereum. Ethereum is exhibiting strange behavior anomalies, because it is almost at the tip. It's almost at the tip, and it is bringing a lot of challenges to establish what will happen to Akina Solana, because now Kina Solana are down there. So this is the take on Zora the Explorer. I don't have much to say, but okay, I can add some few things also, because now it's also educational. The more I speak about something, the more I get used to and learn. So we had this projection, isn't it? And we are seeing a breakout. So how can we confirm that the bullish momentum has started, and not just a reaction? We want to see prices maybe reaching somewhere here. Well, we can say the 50%. We can do this, okay? But it cannot. Even so, if it gains a resistance there or anywhere else, we want to see this support established again to confirm for us that it has become a support and it's a valid key point, and then we can see this. You see? So we still have opportunities, because the market cannot just rally at once itoke kichwa iende. We are going in cycles, so like that, something like that. So where is our confirmation? We have a breakout so far. Our confirmation is this leg here, this pullback which will happen here, and our confirmation will be a support of this line, this previous resistance, which now is the support line, which will indicate that the level has established, and this will be an opportunity for us to look for long positions upwards. You see? So what was I saying from my previous statement? I was saying we entered the market here, a short order. We shorted at 0.77, yes, somewhere there. We went down to that level. We were in profits. But once this support established, I knew something was fishy. So what did I do? I never take the profits, because I want to see what will happen to our position through this phase, through that phase. It's experimental, and I believe that the profit section of our trade will come very, very late, and it will be a battle. It will be a hard battle towards that support or that resistance of wave 5, and it's a battle. It's a battle anyway. There's the chart. This is the target 161. So we go like that towards wave 3, isn't it? Yes. We get a pullback here for wave 4. This here. So wave 4 support, which will be the previous resistance here, and support now is the 0.97, where now we'll bounce towards the 0.194, isn't it? And then this is our take profit area. Our take profit area will be this zone over here, the correction of wave 5. And so A, maybe a B, and a C to test this level. So this will be our take profit. We'll take profit in the correction. Mind you, now see the dynamism. Our initial position was here, 0.07. We want to move with limit orders and place our position maybe at 0.12, just to eat the final leg of the the pullback, or of the correction. So this is theoretical, but we'll see. And because this is MOX is a DEX, it can go to maybe $20. So I was thinking maybe I close the position, maybe I don't, because if it can hockey stick, you can be on the bad side of the market really bad, because maybe think of it, it can go maybe to $5, let's say, or or $10. Cannot rescue this position. That's the problem. So yeah, that's the issue about Zora. I'll do another video on Zora later to monitor the progress, because now this one, it has a huge potential. It has a huge potential in overall. And since you're in the early stages, early phases, we want to gauge the momentum and the levels. And if a breakout can occur, we want to be on the right side of that breakout. So let me do another one on MYX. Stay tuned. Furahida is the theme. Yes.